DB Browser for SQLite is a tool for creating, designing, and managing SQLite databases, but it's not a web development tool. If you want to create a website with offline capabilities that interacts with an SQLite database created using DB Browser, you'll need to use web development technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and potentially a server-side language like Python, Node.js, or PHP. Here's a general outline of how you can proceed. Design your database. Use DB Browser for SQLite to design your database schema. Define tables, columns, relationships, etc. Populate your database. Add data to your SQLite database using DB Browser. Create your website files, HTML. Design the structure of your website using HTML. Define the elements like headers, footers, navigation bars, forms, etc. CSS. Style your HTML elements using CSS to make your website visually appealing. JavaScript. Write client-side JavaScript to add interactivity to your website. You may use it to handle form submissions, validate inputs, fetch data from the database, etc. Interact with the database. Server-side scripting. If you need server-side processing, choose a server-side language and framework. For example, you can use Node.js with Express, Python with Flask or Django, PHP with Laravel or Symfony, etc. These frameworks can handle requests from your web pages and interact with the SQLite database. SQLite integration. Use appropriate libraries or modules in your chosen server-side language to interact with the SQLite database. These libraries usually provide functions to execute SQL queries, fetch results, insert or update or delete data, etc. Testing and deployment. Test your website locally to ensure everything works as expected. Once satisfied, you can deploy your website and database together. You may choose to package them into a standalone application, or use technologies like Electron to create a desktop application with web technologies. Remember, this is a simplified overview. Depending on the complexity of your website and the functionality you want to implement, you may need to delve deeper into each step and possibly explore additional technologies or techniques.